Sometimes people at this point say, well, I don't want to be resuscitated. And how do I ensure that that's going to be the situation? Because I'm going to put in my healthcare directive, I don't want to be resuscitated. And that's all well and good. You can include that type of direction, but keep in mind that your healthcare directive, your advance directive, your living will, doesn't come into play until some doctor has put in your medical record that no medical treatment is going to make you better. Well, if you have had a heart attack and you're not breathing, that's not the situation. That's the situation when 911 is going to be called. The emergency responders are going to show up. They're going to give you CPR and try to get your heart going. That's simply how emergency responders will react. If you don't want that, if you know that your medical condition is such that if your heart stops, that's it, you want to be the end, you'll need to have a different document in place. And it's not a legal document that an attorney will prepare for you. It is a medical order. In the state of Washington, it's called a POLST form, Physician's Order on Life-Sustaining Treatment. That is the doctor's order that says, in the event this person's heart stops, they're not breathing, you can check the box that says DNAR. Do not attempt resuscitation. That typically is a form that you will fill out when you're at your doctor's office, because it is a medical discussion to have. And once that document is signed, you are going to want to put it in a very conspicuous location so that if you do stop breathing and 911 is called, when the emergency responders arrive, they'll look on your refrigerator, for example, and they'll see that lime green form there, and they'll take a look at it. And it's very clear. It'll either say, do CPR or don't do CPR. That is a way to ensure that if you don't want resuscitation efforts, you won't get them. But that's not something that a lawyer's office is going to provide for you in your estate planning documents. That's an order that you get from your physician. Without an effective POLST form in place, the emergency responders they're legally obligated to attempt resuscitation efforts.